me to give you some of the things that you can expect on your Port Barton island hopping tour. Hey guys, and welcome back to Angel's Video Diary. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, just subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and also like, share, and comment below. So by the way guys, don't mind my voice kasi nag-concert ako nung wedding ng cousin ko.
It's called Tequila Wedding.
The what?
Tequila Wedding.
Tequila wedding, yeah. So we had a lot of drinks, and then we sing and we dance. So yun nga, nag-concert. So that's why. Eto, hindi pa ako nakaka-recover.
I'm gonna buy everything. Here we go, and the queen. What up, bro? Every time I close my eyes.
So guys, what are we doing? Scuba diving.
Isn't it like deep water diving?
Deep water diving.
Diba sa ano?
Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung name. Meron ako nito.
Okay.
Tapos meron din ito para gusto ko magkatan.
Wow.
Kailangan daw ng aqua shoes, sabi ni Angelo. Ano ba talaga? Kailangan ba talaga yan? Para
Siguro kasi
try lang.
para ano,
Para
pag nasa sa ano ka dagat, meron kang ano,
may protection.
oo.
Pwede naman.
Same size na lang tayo.
8.5.
Pag natapos na ako, ito na yun.
Oo, pwede din. Shifting yung ano natin.
Ang laki naman ito.
Is yan.
Kailangan ba maluwag?
Hindi, kasi nga, ako 9 ako eh. 8 ang kinuha ko kasi.
Oh,
kasi
kailangan fit. So hindi dapat ito. Size ko. Here are some of the things you need to bring on your trip to Palawan. Free diving mask or snorkels, aqua shoes, free diving fins, and rash guard. And FYI, there are actually dive equipment rentals in Palawan. And also, don't forget to bring other essentials such as wet bag, sunscreen or sunblock, hand sanitizer or hand soap, mosquito repellent, medicine, a hat or a cap, and sunglasses. And don't forget to buy some souvenirs.
Hello guys! So, first time ni Kuya Edward mag-island hopping. Hopping.
Yeah, happy.
So ano yung ini-expect mo? Ano ini-expect mo Kuya Edward? Mamasa! Mamasa! So nandito kami sa Itenenrary kay Kuya Ray Art Autor.
Hey guys! Ready na kami sa island hopping tour.
Hydrated tayo.
Expect to visit at least 3 to 5 islands.
Hi naman kayo! Hi! Island. At sa likod niyan ma'am, sir, meron pang beach. Pwede niyo pong lakarin yan, kita na kasi shadow lang po yan, mababaw lang po. And we stay here for 1.5 hours kasi dito na rin po kami mag-prepare ng lunch.
Okay.
At nakakita lang po namin kayo kapag tapos.
Pwede nang magkalito.
Ako, pwede na yan.
Okay.
Anong ano niya? Pwede na mag-linis. Time check. Anong ano niya? Pwede na mag-ilang ano oras na?
You can either go snorkeling or diving.
Parating ng Baywatch.
Tarzan. Malaki dyan.
Model to model.
And by the way, here's a sample of the menu.
Isa pa. Go, kayo. Wakanda.
Ano ba yung Wakanda?
Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever.
Wakanda, forever.
Hey, gawin lang siya mo. Ganun lang ito. Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever and never to part. Wakanda forever we two. And don't you know I would move heaven and earth to be Wakanda forever with you.
Wait,
Bagay.
Ano na, chat mo. Wait, chat mo. Chan.
Chan.
Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Bye, guys.
Get a chance to swim along with sea turtles. Also, prepare to see some of the most beautiful coral reefs.
Basta.
Good.
Di ba? Okay,
Ayaw pumutok eh.
Ayaw pumutok? Okay,
Ayaw pumutok eh.
Ayaw pumutok? Okay,
Ayaw pumutok eh.
Ayaw pumutok?
And here's my favorite part of the tour. The part when we got to swim and feed the fishes. Then, end your adventure at Luli Sandbar.
Guys, come on!
Kamusta ang ano? Edward na ano ba? Kamusta ang yung first boat tour? Best? Pagod kayo, guys? Tara! Kiss, kiss! Kiss!
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe. Also, like, share, and comment below. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest at Angel's Video Diary. And that's it for now, and until next time, see ya!